So guys, we have two BYD Shark 6 DMO here, showcasing a camping setup for overlanding. Ayan, ang gwapo. Look at this. Meron ka ditong all-terrain tires. All-terrain or mud tires. Let me see. This is size, this is light truck, 285, 65, 18. Gwapo, no? Very chunky, bagay sa katawan niya. Actually, kung ako, pwede ko pa itong palakihan eh. Ang luwag pa dito. Maluwag pa yung fender gap. Kaya pa ng, I think, 2 bigger sizes. Kasya pa dyan. Alright, and then, meron ditong awning. And then, you have roof rack and mga boxes. You can carry lots of stuff. So, dito, sorry guys, I have to cover my nose and mouth kasi maalikabok dito. So, ayan. Kanina, during our fast track experience, I can tell na talagang sobrang luwag sa second row. And during if you guys remember, nung una natin itong nakita, by accident, dun sa BYD Greenfield, nung dineliver to, napansin ko kaagad that the second row is really very roomy. But what I did not notice, which I realized just now, yung sandalan niya, naka-recline ka, hindi siya masyadong, di ba typical sa mga pickup trucks, very upright yung upo mo. Ito naka-slide, naka-slant ka ng konti. And let's come down here. Ayan, meron kang, what's this, a freezer or fridge. Naka-plug. I think it's using the V2L technology. Oh no, here, yeah, here. Ayan. So let's press this to open the tailgate. Oh, it's probably locked. But anyway, you can see from here. Ayan, oh. Ayan. Now guys, remember nag-camping tayo with the Tang and si Panchita, yung SL6 natin. We used the V2L. Yung V2L yun yung, tawag dito yung extension na sinasaksak. Tapos, you can plug there as much as 3,850 kilowatts. Ganong kalakas. With the BYD Shark 6, aside from the V2L, yung extension na nakikita nyo, meron na siyang built-in dito. You don't need to take it out. Plug ka na dito diretso. The difference lang is that this one has a maximum of 2,000 kilowatts. Still, malakas pa rin, di ba? 2,000. So, kung mga power tools, mga camping materials, kayang-kaya, except kung may dala kang air fryer. Kasi air fryer, mga 2.5 yata, 2.8. And then here, dito sa likod, I don't know exactly what this is called, pero may nakita ko dito kay Chef JP, pinapanood ko rin siya minsan. Meron siyang ganito na basic, maliit lang ng konti, nandun nakatago yung kitchen niya. Pero ito looks like this is not just a kitchen but also a room. Ayun, parang na-extend doon. So this is much bigger. Now guys, the BYD Shark 6 has a maximum towing capacity of 2,500 kilograms. Yun yung towing capacity niya. So ayan. And then here is another Shark 6 DMO. This time meron siyang, aside from awning, meron siyang RTT na nakaset up. And then meron siya ditong mga kung ano-ano. May kitchen utensils. I'm sure napapanood nyo si Overland King, si Sir Joel Pedro, kaibigan natin. Familiar na kayo sa mga ganitong setup nila, di ba? Kino-customize nila. So, pwede nyo rin gawin with the Shark. With the BYD Shark 6. Here, andyan, you can install mga sliding kitchen dito. Lots of accessories. Pwede mo i-customize. Look at that room. Ang luwag-luwag. Ang dami mong pwedeng gawin. And this one I like. This is what you call the, hindi pala to regular awning. This is the 270, right? Yeah, this is the 270 awning. It stretches all the way from there sa front all the way back here. So, ang sarap ng shelter mo dito.
Please do not forget to follow our social media accounts. We are on YouTube, Facebook page, Instagram, and TikTok.